Advanced vocabulary. Understanding common collocations for personalized learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we are focusing on something really interesting: collocations. But not just any collocations. We're diving into the common types you should know to build your own personalized collocation lists. This will help you sound more natural in English, improve your fluency, and enrich your overall language comprehension and use. Collocations are words that often go together in English. For example, we say, fast food, not, quick food, or, commit a crime, not, do a crime. These phrases just sound right to native English speakers. Understanding collocations is important because it makes your English sound more natural and idiomatic. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify common collocations and use them effectively in your English conversations and writings. There are several common types of collocations in English. Let's explore each of them. Verb plus noun collocations. This is one of the most common types. It consists of a verb followed by a noun. Examples include take a shower, have breakfast, or make a mistake. You'll notice these collocations often in everyday English conversation. Adjective plus noun collocations. This type consists of an adjective followed by a noun, which often goes together to describe something. Examples include deep sleep, heavy rain, or strong coffee. Noun plus noun collocations. This is another frequent type of collocation where two nouns go together. Examples include bread and butter, salt and pepper, or rock and roll. Adverb plus adjective collocations. This type consists of an adverb followed by an adjective. Examples include completely wrong, fully aware, or highly recommended. Verb plus preposition collocations. This type consists of a verb followed by a preposition. Examples include look after, deal with, or take care of. Verb plus adverb collocations. This type consists of a verb followed by an adverb. Examples include speak loudly, run quickly, or work hard. Once you've understood these common types, you can start identifying collocations in the English you hear or read every day. As you read books, listen to podcasts, watch movies, or have conversations in English, pay special attention to these word pairs. Write them down and create your own personalized list of collocations. And that's a wrap. We hope this video helps you understand the common types of collocations and the ways to identify them for your personalized lists. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting these word pairs and using them in your English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.